In my part 1 video, I told you about 20 best niche ideas where you don't need to put much efforts for writing content and promoting your content with SEO, social media or any other methods. You can still get huge traffic from Google because you can easily rank your content in Google if you start your website with any of these niches. I received lots of messages from people who started their website on these niches. If you want to start your website with any of these niches, you need a domain, hosting, and a keyword research tool. I have provided the link below in the description for the best web hosting company and the best keyword research tool. Today I am going to show you 18 more ideas which are equally great. Hi, my name is Preetham Nagrale, founder of DMatic Digital. You are welcome to my channel DMatic Digital, where you get very useful videos about digital marketing. If you are new to this channel, then do subscribe to my channel now because my free content is better than other premium content. First niche is wallpapers. Millions of people download different types of wallpapers to use in their phone, computer, and for other reasons. You can check the traffic of some of the websites in this niche. There's wallpaperaccess.com. It's around 5 millions per month. Wallpaperplay.com 2.5 million. Setterswall 800,000. You can get huge traffic on wallpaper website without doing much SEO. Second niche is high volume keywords. To understand this, I will show you some of the websites that receive huge traffic by targeting such kinds of high volume keywords. You can check this. This thepublic.in website ranks for these keywords. Make Hindi ranks for these keywords. You can find similar websites or keyword tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs and create a list of all the high volume keywords. You can then start a WordPress blog and target these keywords in your website. If you check the content and SEO of these websites, you will find very low quality. It's easy to rank for these keywords. Next idea is iOS and Play Store apps. I will use a keyword research tool to understand this niche. I'll check the traffic of this Google Play Store URL. You can see the organic traffic on this URL is 378 millions. What does it mean? It means that when people want to download any Google Play Store app, or if they want to find any information related to the app, they search this in Google. You can create a website on famous apps and write reviews or detailed guides on these apps. You can find the best content and best reviews in the app store itself. You just need to rewrite this in your own language. You can download the app, get the experience, and then write this in your own language to make your content more useful. Next idea is MP3 sites. This is a different niche than other niches. MP3 downloading sites or movie downloading sites receive huge amounts of traffic. Neither you need any content nor you need to do any SEO for such websites. Check the traffic of these websites. Free MP3 downloads online, mp3download.net. SEO is absolutely zero on such websites. It's difficult to get Google AdSense approval on such websites, but I have seen AdSense and other ad networks ads on few of the websites, for example, freemp3download.net. After doing research on all high traffic MP3 sites, I observed that all sites contain these two words MP3 and download in their domain. And you need some special theme, script or plugin for creating an MP3 website. You can hire a developer on Fiverr for this. Next idea is news websites. According to a survey, an average viewer spends around 4 hours on the internet, and a major part of this is on reading and watching news online. There are hundreds of news websites like NYT, Times of India, CNN, Reuters, BBC, NDTV, and various others that receive hundreds of millions of visitors. But there are thousands of other news websites run by people like you and me also receive traffic in millions. You can check the traffic of these news sites like Sumanasa and Inkhabar. Creating a news website is not that difficult. You can start a WordPress website and install a news theme. Then start covering the latest news on your website. You need to publish at least 5 to 10 news dailies on your website. If everything goes fine, you will receive good traffic in the next 3 to 6 months. Next idea is top 10. Here you can cover hundreds of different topics on one website or create multiple websites. For example, you can create a website on different places where you can cover things like best places to visit in US, New York, London or Goa. Or you can create another website on topics like top 10 companies or brands websites like top 10 online shopping websites, top 10 real estate websites, top 10 e-learning website, and various other topics. Or if I talk about Amazon shopping, then you can cover topics like 10 best earphones under $10,000, sorry, $100, top 10 smartphones under 20,000 rupees, or 10 best AC brands in India. If you dig further, you can find more opportunities. Next idea is differences in comparison. What is the difference between CV and resume? What is the difference between pandemic and epidemic? What is the difference between home or house or flat or apartment? Or comparison queries like iPhone 11 versus S20, Dell versus HP versus Lenovo. There are thousands of similar keywords that create confusion. Now check these websites: keydifferences.com, differencebetween.com, different.com, and there are many other websites that write on similar niches. If you observe the content on these websites, you'll find that each of their posts starts with the title difference between. Now check the traffic of these websites: keydifferences.com 750,000, differencebetween.net 1.7 million, different.com around 1.5 million. You can create the website on this niche and make excellent money with Google AdSense and Amazon affiliate programs. Next idea is train inquiry. More than 25 million people travel daily by train. Thousands of people daily search for different information related to the train, like train running status, train schedule, seat availability, train route, ticket booking, and millions of similar keywords. You can check the traffic of this website, railyatri.in. It's more than 2 million. It's an easy niche and anyone can start a website on this niche. In the same way, there are huge searches for metro rail. You can start a website on this niche as well. Next idea is Hindi or regional language blogs. This is one of the high potential niches. One of the big reasons is Indian language internet users are growing continuously, and according to KPMG report, it will be around 536 million by 2021. Another reason is there is almost zero competition in regional language blogs. You will not find many blogs on lucrative niches like health, lifestyle, finances and investments, parenting, etc. I have seen dozens of Hindi and regional language blogs that receive traffic in millions, but if you check their website, you'll find useless content. So you have an excellent chance to do better if you create a blog in Hindi or other regional languages and create quality content. Not only that, you will find similar potential in other foreign languages like German, French, Italian, and many others. If you are smart, you don't need to write content. You can copy the best content on other blogs and YouTube videos in your niche and write in your own language. Next idea is bill payment guide. Almost everyone uses electricity, smartphones, TV and other things in their home, and they pay monthly bills for all these utilities. But millions of people don't pay their bills online because they don't know how to do that in a simple way. You can create a website where you can write a how-to guide for paying different bills for different companies. You'll understand this better if you check these keywords: Vodafone bill payment, electricity bill payment, Airtel postpaid bill payment, and thousands of similar keywords. Next idea is acronyms and abbreviations. Do you know the full form of BMW? Do you know the full form of LG or AT&T? I'm sure most of you don't know the acronyms of these words, and so the millions of people around the world. You can create a website where you can target thousands of such acronyms and abbreviations. In the US, people generally use the terms "what does it stand for" instead of full form. For example, BMW stands for, or what does BMW stand for? Tools like SEMrush will show you the best keywords that you can target in your website and get huge traffic. Next idea is online banking. There are thousands of banks around the world, and almost all these banks provide online banking facilities. Millions of people search for keywords like online banking or net banking when they want to make some transactions. You can find the number of searches like in the US, in India. You can see that millions of people search for online banking for each bank. You can create a how-to guide and other tips for these banks and get huge traffic on your website. Next niche is upcoming launches. If there is a launch of any new car or a bike, launch of a new model from a cell phone company or a new iPhone model, launch of a teaser or a trailer of a new movie or any government scheme, people got crazy to know the details of these new launches, and they search in Google about these launches. In many of these cases, these searches are in millions. In countries like India, US, UK, every day you'll find different launches. You can create a website on this niche and write about these launches on your website. Not only new launches, you can also create a website on latest news like COVID-19, Oxford vaccine, etc. And your website can get traffic in millions. You can go to Google News and type keyword like launch to find news about new launches. Next idea is plans. In this niche, you can cover things like cell phone plans, prepaid plans, broadband plans, DTH plans, and many others. Millions of people around the world search for different types of plans available in their country. It's a lucrative niche and you can make good money with this niche. It's easy to write content as you can get all different plans from the official website itself. Apart from writing a plan, you can also help users to find the best plan according to his needs so that your content looks more useful than the official website. Next idea is book reviews. It's one of the excellent niche to make money with affiliate marketing and various other methods. You can create a book reviews website where you write reviews of popular books from Amazon and other online bookstores. This is an excellent niche for book lovers who have read hundreds of books in different genres and now want to share their thoughts with the world. Next idea is application and status. Most of the people who want to submit an online application for passport, visa, Aadhaar card, PAN card, provident fund or similar things that actually don't know how to apply for these things. And after submitting an application, they need to wait for a few days before they get the actual status of their application. So people keep on checking the status on the internet with keywords like passport status, visa status and others. You can check the list of such keywords on SEMrush to get more ideas. You can create a website where you can guide people how to submit an online application or different things and how to check the status of their application. I've seen some of the websites that receive traffic in millions. Next idea is image website. You can check here on SEMrush. There are huge searches for images and there are 12 million searches for these keywords that include the word images. People search keywords like happy birthday images, Mother's Day images, Christmas and Diwali images and thousands of similar keywords. You can start an image website and receive huge traffic on your website. And the last idea is micro niche websites. Micro niche websites are a good way to make some 3 to 4 figure income without making any efforts. You can start a website on a micro niche like AquaGuard water purifier or how to make money from YouTube or how to apply for a passport. You can find thousands of micro niche keywords from keyword research tools and start a 5 to 7 pages website on each micro niche. It's easy to rank a micro niche website in Google and it requires low maintenance. You can make money with Google AdSense and affiliate marketing or both. So I'm sure you liked all these niches and soon you're going to start your website on one or more ideas explained here. If you find this video interesting and useful, then give a thumbs up and share with your friends.